Shine, shine, shine. There's some sun. It looks nice and sunny out there, but it's mid-autumn and it's fucking freezing today. So yeah. Sorry, that one got on a low note. I'm happy. Well, oh. Yeah, I haven't vlogged in ages, so I'm not used to it as much recently, but yeah. Like, there's a cat. I haven't seen a cat in ages. That's the old one. He doesn't really do much these days. He's old. Right, let's go outside. Actually, there's nothing to do outside, so I guess I won't show you outside. Yeah, I don't know why I turned the vlog camera on. This probably won't even make the vlog, but I thought it'd be interesting, which I'm not. Let's show you this. My parents have like a new fancy ass kitchen, right? So, avocado. Thanks. Yeah, there's, and also, years when I was like 10, I used to really want one of these, but my parents were like, no, it's too expensive, you're not allowed it. And as soon as I leave for university, they get it. I'm an adult as well. Oh, that's gonna get water on the floor. Okay, clear that up in a sec. Yeah, and we've got a fancy ass cooker as well. This comes off. It's so weird. You turn it on. You turn it on. Okay, I can't work their fancy ass cooker. And then they have this oven. Look at that, it's like it's on Bake Off. Wow. They have a fancy ass new microwave. I'm not going to try use that. And they have a bin. Use the force. Ooh. Down. 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 There you go. It works. It's not actually voice activated. I was being funny. It was a joke. I'm funny. Yeah. I'll pop in a sec. Right, so as you can see, I'm not in the house anymore. Fucking obvious. Yeah. People around. I'm still getting into the whole vlog thing, so I'm not used to it. But yeah. I'm in Kingston now, waiting for my friends. But and as always, I'm like the first one here. Oh, it's not too early. I think. Wait, I don't know what the time is. No, it's almost 5. So yeah, they will be late as always. I'm used to it. So. I'll give you an update there.
Oh Jesus! I don't feel good.
Hi. I'm with my friend. You know him. I haven't seen him in like 2 months-ish.
I'm so lonely.
I need a social life. Woo. Yeah, we're waiting. What time is it?
This is. Put it in my pocket. 38 past 1.
We're supposed to meet at 1 o'clock.
Traffic is a bitch.
Our friends, two other friends are a bit late. It shouldn't be too long. I should be about like what 10, 15 minutes max. And then we're going to Nandos. I haven't been to Nandos in like 2 months. I can't wait. It's weird. There is a Nandos in Wolverhampton. I just haven't gone to it. And also we're probably going to go in here in a bit and go to the arcade for a bit as well at some point today.
It's loud.
It's an arcade. It's usually now. I wonder how tiring it is to keep my arm up. It's like I need like a stick or something or a table to lean my hand on, so I don't need to hold my hand out like.
Just get a stick to play. Hey guys.
Yeah, that's a little update. I'm with people again that you know.
Oh, hello.
You know these people. Yay, we're in Nando's now. And we got like another 15 minute wait, because it's like 2 o'clock, so it's lunchtime.
I want my fingers now. My fingers broken.
Great.
What's the difference with
Oh, we can probably move up a bit now. I feel like I should be an emo right now. I've noticed how ginger my hair's going. It's a bit like, on camera especially, my hair looks very ginger.
fight me?
Very scary, yeah. Okay, so Nando's is over. I didn't forgot to vlog it, but I don't really need to vlog my tea. Also, there's a... What?
Put the photos.
Yeah, well, you can take a photo. I'll put the photo in. But yeah, there's a little cosy heron over there, a little bird.
Just a little bit.
Well, herons are tall birds with the long, pointy noses.
Tall boys.
Tall birds.
The tall boys.
Yeah.
Hiya.
And there's the river, water. I don't really know. Water! Woo! We walked past it when it was my birthday. This is like nostalgia or deja vu, whatever, because we walked past this before. Yeah. Tall boy! Hi, tall boy! Ah! Little bird boy. It's not even December, but this place is riddled with festive stuff. Oh, festive flamingo. Very festive. Loving the pink tree though. These glasses. Oh, honestly loving the flamingo though.
It's me. Look at the baby penguin.
That's just kind of creepy, not gonna lie.
Look at the baby penguin.
And they're walking really slowly. We got Shake Away. If you've never got it before, Shake Away is probably the best.
Yeah. I'd agree with that. That's cool.
Yeah, I got myself a tasty Tommy. You got your Oh My God.
Got my orange, oh my god.
They ran out of names. All their things have names, but that one's just Oh My God, Orange Oh My God. So I think they've run out of names. Yeah. Tasty Tommy. I really hope my friend Tommy's not watching this. If you are, Tommy, fuck off. We made it to the arcade. It's not really changed much. No! I don't like it. No. No.
Is that good content?
Yes. Woo! Oh. That happens in Madagascar, doesn't it? Checkpoint. Okay, so our night is pretty much over. Nice job. Nice job. Now you look like an idiot. Spoons, my home. Spoons is basically my home. And I miss it. Soon I need to come down here and actually go to Wetherspoons. I'm gonna drink so cheap, which is bad for me. So I'll have a lot of it. Don't drink, kids. Unless you're a responsible adult, then go fuck ahead. Because responsible adults drink a lot, sure.
Yes, responsible adult.
I'm a responsible adult. What are you talking about? I'm 19. Oh, I'm turning 20 in April. That's something to think about. No, right? Oh, look at you, you're 18-year-old.
I'm a young boy. I know I was.
I'm gonna get run over by a bus now. Thanks, guys.
I should cross it.
Why are you moving? It's Owen. He's always doing something weird. Just keep your eye on him. He's always doing something odd. I know. It's scary. Oh yeah, we saw him yesterday. We saw Jacksepticeye yesterday. I didn't vlog it really because we.
I vlogged it. Go to my channel, Amy Pound 07. Amy.
I'm cutting that out.
Next month.
I'm definitely planning something special.
Okay. Bus. We're on the bus. Bus. We were just there. Woo.
Round in a circle.
Yeah, basically. Yeah, we're going home now. I get to go home. And then they go to watch fireworks with my family. I have pulled pork tonight. I'm so happy. Pulled pork. Well, we've really got one of my favourite foods is pulled pork. I love it. That's the one thing reason I probably could never go vegetarian. Like, I don't want to like be rude or anything or offend, but I would not go vegetarian. Like,
You said you were buying vegetarian.
no, I could never go vegetarian. I literally just said how much I love pulled pork.
Yeah. Oh, I heard of that.
Yeah, thanks to pulled pork, I am not going vegetarian. You can all clap for me and all that shit. I'm sorry if I offend people. I'm sorry, there's probably some angry vegans and vegetarians out there. Oh well. Don't worry, if you've seen Scott Pilgrim, you've seen the vegan and that. He's powerful for a little bit. Watch Scott Pilgrim. I watched that yesterday, not yesterday, on Halloween, and I think it's one of my favourite films at the moment. I love it. Great lighting, you can totally see my face. It's probably better for everyone, no one's face. No one will be going blind today with my ugliness. Ah, you can see it. Sorry, you're blind. The ugliness is shown. Anyway, yeah. As you can see, it's a bit darker. It's only about almost 7 o'clock ish. Yeah, it's almost 7 o'clock. So yeah, it's at that point where it's getting darker. And it's creepy. Woo. Don't we just love creepy words? It's great for young girls like me, isn't it? Young adults. Young women. Yay. I'm sure I won't. Oh, yeah. Anyway, yeah, that was fun. Oh, there's a lot of fireworks going on right now because it's bonfires. Well, it's not. Well, it's the 3rd, so it's practically bonfire night. It's that time of year you get a lot. Oh, there's very nice stars tonight. So I ramble a lot. You might notice that, but yeah. Yeah, I've been talking too much today. I don't socialise this much. I don't usually talk this much. Basically, I've had a fun day. Well, evening, afternoon. It's been fun. It was nice to see my twins again. I haven't seen him in 2 months. So it was lovely to see him. And like, now I'm going home for fireworks. And if you're lucky, I might film some of the fireworks. And maybe I'll put in like a compilation, maybe. I don't even actually know if this is going to be a good vlog or not, because I don't know how many, I didn't really get that much footage, because I'm with my friends, I don't really want to put a camera in their faces all the time. But we'll see how that goes.